take a look at the vast range of cars from RiiRoo. Check out the cutest little ride-on at a great price. Our budget-friendly BMW M6 Coupe Style ride-on car has been designed with fun in mind. With all the great features as the big boys, you really do get value for money for the price. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.